Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Boxer, the technical trader at techtrader.com. It's Monday, August 5th. These are the charts of the day. Well, a crash scenario on Wall Street with a big plunge. A pretty good bounce, but not yet out of the woods, that's for sure. Futures are sharply higher after hours. A quick check shows that they are, let's see, right now. Stay with me, everybody. We're up over 200, nope, no, 184.50. What's 200? NDX up 184.50 and the S&P up 43.50. That was up over 50. So a little bit of a pullback, but nevertheless, looks like a strong start tomorrow. We'll see where it is in the morning. Starting off with ASTS, which exploded with a breakaway gap here on volume, flagged for 4 days on a falling wedge, popped and exploded for 3 days. And ever since then, that was back in May, been in a rising channel, taking it from 5 to low 20s, taking 21 to 28 recently, and now flagging or wedging again. Today it reversed, it was up just 43 cents or a couple percent, but the stock continues to hold up well and held up well in a lousy market. BCRX took a hit, reversed sharply, and a nice big reversal from 644 to 761, finished at 751, up 49 cents. Nice. Usually when you see this kind of reversal near moving averages and price support, it'll extend and retest the high. So I'm looking for a move to retest 790. We get through that, we're looking at 9. Cdna also took a dip and filled the gap, hit the trend line, and reversed sharply with an engulfing bullish reversal bar, jumping from 1910 to 2502, finished 24.18, up 130 or 5.6%. Looking for a retest of the highs there, 27 and then 30.31. EPER with the big reversal after hours on earnings. Stock came down right to the moving average and trend line, and then exploded from 22.60 to 28.52. That was a 6-point reversal, finished 27.60, up 277, 11%. But the way it closed, which is the highest close we've seen in the stock since back in 21, might lead me to believe we're going to get up in that range where it could be in the low and then mid-30s. Nice chart. JMIA also came down hard, tested the moving average 50 and the lateral price support, the gap, and the trend line all at once, and reversed sharply. From 870 to 1105, finishing right at the high, right near it, $11 up, a small fraction of 3%. Nevertheless, a great close. I would now look to see if we could take out the lateral price resistance around 11.75 and make a run at the mid-teens. As we speak, the futures are now up to 10 and 49, so it's firming up again. Pltr, what a reversal on this one. Dipped, got all the way down to 2081, rallied back, and then after hours earnings came out, and it really ran. So the full reversal was 2081 to 2878. Currently 2690 after hours, up to 16. Let's see if this follows through. If it does, 32, 34 are my targets. RIVN also took a dip to the gap, didn't quite fill it. Actually, didn't quite fill it, but it reversed sharply. And after hours, as you can see from the 1-minute chart, spiked up and now is coiling. We have a triple top around 15. If we get RIVN up through 15 as early as tomorrow, may very well see 17 and 18.75. RKT Rocket yesterday spiked, today reversed sharply and did great in a lousy market, up 4%. Volume was solid at 7.8 million. This is a breakout of an ascending bull coil that had developed over a few months. And now I'm looking for 20 and 22. SAVA has gone bonkers of late. Up 7 in the last 8 days, and it's taken it from 1161 to today's high over 42, 30, near 35 after hours. So it may be exhausted up here. But I want to show it to you because it had a phenomenal technical move of 150% about 2.5 weeks. UVIX exploded and gapped 2 days in a row. Literally went from 584 to today's high at 2107. 2107, and now 16 after hours. So you can see how that's pulled back down. But this one we need to watch to see if it builds up some sort of consolidation pattern. And finally, Zvra exploded 9.2 million, which is huge volume for that stock, taking it out of a massive 2.5-year base. And now possibility exists that we make a move up towards about 10 3/4, 11. That's it for tonight. A look at some of the hot stocks at detectrader.com. Good night, everybody.